In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make sweet peas. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your stem wire and you're going to create a little loop on one end like this and press it down. And then we're going to take a strip of crepe paper in white. This is double-sided crepe paper in white, cut into crepe tape. I'm going to dot it with glue and I'm going to wrap it around this loop to bulk it up to create the little pea. And once I'm satisfied with the size of it, I just tear it off. It doesn't have to look pretty because no one's going to see it. I'm going to apply some glue onto the Sweet Pea A template, and I'm going to put this right inside like this and squeeze it closed. Once it's dry, I'm going to trim it down to size so that's even. Trim the tip off as well. Then what we're going to do is we're going to apply a bit of glue to petal a Sweet Pea petal B, just in the center here. And I'm going to press this on top and squeeze. In the meantime, I'm also going to ruffle these a bit so that there's some shape to it. And it'll open up like this. With this one here, which is the Sweet Pea Petal C, I'm just going to apply some glue in the center, the tip, press it down to hold to dry, and then I'm going to take my hand and open it up, taking advantage of the crepe paper's flexibility in the grain lines. And then I'm going to apply a bit of glue at the base and place this on top and squeeze to close. And I'm going to open it up a bit. Then I'm going to trim this off so it's nice and narrow, like that. I'm going to make the calyx, and I've pre-cut a piece of double-sided crepe paper in cypress and green tea. I'm going to make 5 calyxes, or sepals for the calyx. So I'm just going to cut this freehand, open it up, and I'm going to apply glue to the base like this. And I'm going to place the base of the petal and the flower on top. And this calyx is used to cover up. Cover up that bottom part so that it looks like it's transitioning naturally from flower to stem. I'm going to use crepe tape and I'm going to put the long ones together first. In this case, I've pre-made 3 long strips. And I'm just going to quickly wrap them together. And then once you're done with that, just open up these stem wires so that you're opening up the flower. Have them face, let's say, you, or facing up. And these ones I've pre-colored. I'm going to color this one, show you how I do that. I use pastel. I take a little brush and I just color the tip of it.